Hello. In this tutorial we will see how to transform data and visualize data in form of charts and dashboards with Elephanta. Here I am creating a dataset by uploading a file. After refresh, we can see data is uploaded successfully. View the data sample and we can see this data belongs to bank loans. To transform the data, select Dataset and click on Transform. Here I am creating a new transformation. Now let's say we would like to figure out property area and their employment status of loan defaulters. First we filter data on loan status within to get the defaulted loans. Now we aggregate on property area and self-employed fields and count the default loans. Here we are seeing sample data. When clicked on Execute, the transformation is executed on complete data and we can see it in Output Dataset. Now let us create a new dashboard. We can see that an empty dashboard is created. We go to the charts on Dataset and we can see wide range of charts available. Select the fields and properties and click on Show Chart. Now we can see the required chart. This chart can be published to dashboard we created. We can go to the dashboard and see the chart. Adjust the chart and save the dashboard. Thank you.